Toyota has a talent for making compact pickup trucks. These Japanese workhorses are capable and effective vehicles, ranging from the 22R-powered models of the 1980s and 1990s to the Tacoma of today. Likewise, a compact truck from Toyota is reportedly on the way, with fast performance and regular utility. However, the Ford Maverick already dominates that market. The Maverick is a well-liked pickup truck that's a practical ride for people on the go. It was introduced in 2022. Its unibody platform provides a car-like ride, and a hybrid powertrain is a choice to improve fuel efficiency. You can make the package more appealing by including a crew cab and a comfortable bed. The Ford Maverick is arguably the best pickup truck in its price range, offering exceptional driving dynamics, a ton of features and technology, and the typical utility of a pickup truck. However, its position as the best may be in jeopardy because a specific Toyota rival is rumored to be determined to seize it for themselves. Here comes the Toyota STOUT, a potential low-cost pickup truck produced by the Japanese behemoth that could cause problems for the young F-150. Toyota will produce a powerful vehicle because they have had time to research the market. Here's why the rumored 2025 STOUT will engage the Maverick in battle and give it a serious headache. The pickup truck market as we currently know it may be disrupted by the rumored Toyota STOUT. Toyota has had plenty of time to research the top pickup truck models in its price range, particularly the Ford Maverick. This should give them enough time to design a car that destroys the competition and becomes the new standard. To accomplish this, the STOUT may include a variety of components. It will be positioned as the Toyota Hilux's younger sibling, so it should learn a lot from its famed predecessor. This one ought to be a cracker if you add in a ton of fantastic technology and good looks. Toyota is known for making dependable automobiles. Just look while you are driving. You'll likely see Toyota SUVs and sedans cruising the streets like new despite being years or even decades old. The Japanese automaker is simply skilled at producing high-quality vehicles. The new STOUT could continue this tradition. Toyota's quality is a key selling point because purchasing a car is a significant financial decision. Not to mention that having a pickup that can withstand abuse is essential because they are made for difficult tasks and harsh environments. The STOUT, as its name implies, would be a tough workhorse. The price is another area where the STOUT will outperform the Maverick. The Ford is a cost-effective car that delivers a lot of value for the money. However, many are confident that Toyota will price undercut every rival with the STOUT, which should greatly increase its chance of commercial success. Ford can only solve this problem by lowering the price of their offering because the STOUT should be preferred over the Maverick because it is both more affordable and of higher quality. However, the Ford Maverick is still a reliable pickup. It has excellent engineering and a practical layout, and at one point Ford even closed the order books. Even so, Toyota's reputation for dependability still wins out. It's comforting to know that in trying circumstances, a vehicle's endurance is put to the test when hauling lumber in the rain or starting up on a chilly morning. You can relax knowing that your truck is ready to go in any situation. What makes Toyota's compacted STOUT worthwhile compared to full-size trucks? Full-size pickups have some cool features like a strong stance and high levels of capability, but they also have some disadvantages. Big trucks can be cumbersome and ineffective due to their large footprints and powerful engines. And because luxurious amenities are the norm, their sticker prices can be comparable to those of luxury cars. Compact pickups are a great alternative because of this. Just take a look at the popularity of the Ford Maverick among consumers, the positive feedback for the Hyundai Santa Cruz, and the upcoming Dodge Rampage for proof. Compared to full-size trucks, those vehicles have better handling and efficiency while still providing the common utility that many drivers require. And Toyota might have an advantage over rivals like the Ford Maverick given their track record of making small trucks. According to Motor Trend, as Toyota's vintage compact trucks grew over time, some of their distinctive appeal was lost. However, the new STOUT might alter that and bring back a straightforward, more compact design. Toyota will be motivated to make the STOUT attractive after seeing the positive reviews Maverick's design has received from customers. This should be essential for attracting younger customers and making it the pickup truck of choice for an entire generation of enthusiasts. It is widely regarded as the innovator of Toyota's light trucks, and it intends to maintain that title this time around. The new STOUT would have a smooth ride and plenty of passenger space thanks to its rumored TNGA-K unibody platform and crew cab. The compact truck might ride more like a sedan than a tough truck. The pickup's 4 doors would make it simple to transport both people and equipment. Toyota is a well-known innovator in hybrid drivetrains. The Japanese company has been pushing the limits of gas and electric power and efficiency ever since the original Prius made its debut. And the brand new Toyota STOUT might profit from that knowledge. Take a look at the hybrid Toyota Tacoma from 2024. The iForce Max hybrid system in the new Tacoma combines an electric motor and a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that generates 465 pound-feet of torque and 326 horsepower, a combined miles per gallon in the high 20s, according to rumors. Excellent specifications for a truck of this caliber. We can look to other Toyota vehicles utilizing the TNGA-K platform for clues on the potential hybrid powertrain for the STOUT. The 243 horsepower and 36 combined miles per gallon of the Toyota RAV4 LE Hybrid. Likewise, this effective SUV offers all-weather traction thanks to the available all-wheel drive. Now picture that configuration in a small pickup. A hybrid STOUT would meet the needs of many drivers with its ample power and car-like efficiency. Customers could use the small Toyota truck for almost anything without having to compromise on capability or gas mileage. As a result, the STOUT gains an additional benefit over the Ford Maverick hybrid, which doesn't offer AWD. The gas/electric Toyota would have high MPGs and tenacious traction thanks to its likely all-wheel drive setup. Even so, it will be difficult to top the Ford Maverick. It has won praise, and sales are still going strong. Furthermore, it was the Maverick's popularity that has revived the compact pickup market. The upcoming Toyota STOUT could raise the bar for small pickups. The Ford Maverick is a strong rival, but the Japanese automaker's proficiency with compact pickups could work in the STOUT's favor. AWD and an iForce Max hybrid powertrain would provide capability and efficiency, and Toyota's reputation for dependability could be a major selling point. We'll need to wait until more information becomes available for now. However, keep coming back, and we'll give you the most recent information. The new STOUT appears to be a fantastic ride. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Toyota STOUT? Let us know your thoughts in the comment box below. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.